Hey guys, welcome to my video on how to earn an extra income as a copywriter by becoming a Rhino. What's all that about then? In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to deal with it when clients or anyone else criticizes your work. It can be something you take personal, and it is something that will happen in your career. So I'm going to advise you, based on my experience, what to do about that. Also, I'll be giving you a bonus tip towards the end of the video about one of the main things you need to keep on top of to make your freelancing and your copywriting career successful. So stay tuned for that towards the end. Okay, so one of the things you'll have to get used to working as a freelancer and dealing with clients is that the relationship won't always go 100% smoothly. And that's something that is going to happen. It's not going to be 100% perfect every time, although obviously you're looking to get as high a percentage of satisfied clients as you possibly can. So now and again you will get a difficult client, and when it happens you have to deal with it. There's no way around it. But on the other hand, you shouldn't take it personally. In fact, over time you should almost develop a tough skin, something like a rhino. That's why I talk about a rhino skin. It's something you need to develop. Now, having said that, if it happens a lot, I think it's time to look honestly at yourself and work out if you're doing something wrong. But do understand that you will get a difficult client from time to time. And unfortunately, occasionally you'll get an impossible one. When that happens, my best advice is to sack them and move on. There's no point in dealing with clients who are impossible, and I have actually had these types of clients myself. So best advice, if you get a client who's proving to be impossible, just sack him and move on. Okay, now my bonus tip, one of the most important things to take care of as a freelancer is never stop marketing. This is one of the most important tips I can give you to make your freelancing career a success, especially when you're just getting started. Marketing yourself is critical to landing jobs, so even when you're fully booked, keep marketing. When you are fully booked, it's the ideal time to test the market with higher pricing if you're not desperate for work. This is something we discussed before, testing the market with higher pricing, and you should always be looking to push the bubble in terms of your pricing, getting your prices up as soon as you can. So what would you do if you had an impossible client? Would you tolerate it, or would you move on? Comment below, let me know. So there you have it guys. This one was a little bit off the wall, but the point I want to get across is that you will get criticism, you will hit obstacles in your freelance writing career, and you need to deal with it. You need to tough up and deal with it. So I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the content in this video, please like and leave a comment, and subscribe, hit the bell notification if you like, so that when I release more content to help you guys, I know where to send it to. Now, freelance writing, you can either run it as a nice side income, or you can go out there and you can absolutely crush it and have some very, very substantial paydays doing this. So in the next video, I'm going to give you the #1 tip to guide you if you want to really go for this and make a lot of money freelance writing. There's huge potential with this, so I think you're going to enjoy that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So ciao for now.